Rowe.
We are the Rowe Unity Team! On Wednesday, February 19th, Rowe Unity Team will be hosting a Pride Bazaar. This bazaar is a fundraiser for the group. We will be selling Pride merch like flags, art, and other rainbow swag.
What time is it?
The event will go from 6:30 to 8 p.m.
Where will it be?
at Rowe in the cafeteria.
What if I want to be a vendor and sell my own arts or crafts?
There is a folder full of sign-up sheets in the front lobby. Fill one out and then turn it in to Miss Purpich in room 404 by February 1st.
Why should I go?
To support Rowe Unity Team and stock up on rainbow gear for Spirit Week.
What if I have questions about the bazaar?
Ask Miss Purpich or any other of the Rowe Unity Team members.
Sounds like fun. See you there.